about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's be free with me.
So it is 2:27 and I've basically been like asleep for majority of the time. I woke up and got some breakfast and then came back to the room and fell asleep. And now I'm dressed and I'm starving. And I don't know if I should like just go get some food or do I need to wait on everybody? I don't know. But I'm hungry. I'm wearing my two-piece set today from Fashion Nova. Real cute. Today is also our last day, like our last full day, because tomorrow morning we're leaving. I'm kind of sad. Like this trip went by fast and this boat just keep freaking rocking, giving me a headache. But yeah, so this will probably be like the last day vlog. I might vlog a little bit tomorrow, but it'll probably end up going into this vlog. Yeah, I will come back when I'm doing something. Last time eating the guy's burger. You wanted that? Thank you, baby. I put that way. What's the next one? I did that one.
Come on, Tony. Tony.
I look good. Need some camera time, bro. Yeah, camera, she don't want to be. Are you messing with
No, I want it in the phone because I'm not going to steal it.
I ain't see. This is what Samuel made today.
We need more washcloths.
Why you put?
You gonna put 2 in there? This big UK.
So y'all, it is like, what time is it? 7 o'clock? Yeah, 7 o'clock. And now we're about to finally go to dinner.
Get out there, go away, man. But they bills.
I'm wearing my romper. Look like I'm about to go to sleep. Nice and silky. Silky.
Show them the VVs. Show them the VVS's. Let me show them, yeah.
Y'all know what Florida restaurant is?
That, bro, it's on, you feel me? Y'all know where the sports is.
That's just him might as well give us the booth. I mean, not that we really, the table right there in the booth. Like we did that.
I think I'm gonna get the lobster tail with the steak.
So this is the menu. You going crazy with it.
That's a surcharge of $20.
I don't know what that is.
Hey. got a steak, potatoes, and carrot. Yeah, I feel so bad because I barely been vlogging today, but we really haven't been doing much. So I'm on my way back to the room right now so that I could get my $4 because I was going to buy my picture. My picture is $11.99 and I'm getting $8 back from the guest services thing. So I have enough to buy my picture. Whew. Took a picture with the animal, whatever it is.
You scared?
So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all once I get it, but that's all I'm doing right now.
About to go watch your movie.
We're also going to movie night. They playing Toy Story 4 tonight, and I never seen that, so I never seen Toy Story 4. I saw the other ones, but yeah.
You want one of my jackets?
Damn. Where what's the name at? Salami, so we can get a sheet. Cause it's gonna be my, well, I don't know, yeah. I mean, we can get that later. I mean, not really later. I don't know. I'm just talking in circles, thinking. Man, I gotta finish getting my stuff together.
DJ, which side did you think was the best bad dad dancer? Okay, let's see. Is it this side? Is it this side? Sing it! Alright, whichever team hugs the most people they don't know before the next chorus.
Okay, well y'all, I am now back in my room. I'm just like, I'm so annoyed. So tonight is our last night here, and of course, like, I want to, you know, do something. I wanted to go see the movie, like, and they literally like took forever doing everything. So okay, we went to get some food, and then afterwards we were supposed to get some money back because I don't know why, but we're supposed to get some money back, and they literally took forever to do that. So after we got the money, the movie starts at 9 o'clock. After we get the money, it's like 9:03. So I already had plans to go get my picture. I go get my picture. Now it's like 9:23, and my brother's like, okay, we can go, let's go straight to the movies. Like, let's go ahead and sit down, blah, 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 whatever. So I'm like, okay, cool. So then he see my cousin and my aunt, and he just like totally changes his mind and is like, oh, we're going to the comedy show. I don't want to go to the comedy show. So I was like, I'm just go back to the room. Like, I don't want to go to the comedy show. I want to go to the movies. So whatever, but I got my picture in here, real happy. Like, y'all, this is a cute picture. It's so pretty. I'm gonna flip the camera so y'all can see it, but it's real cute. I wish there was a way I could take this picture and like put it on my phone. Like, y'all know how you take pictures with your phone, like, boom, I'm making a video with my phone. You know, you take pictures with your phone. I want to take this picture, but I don't want to like take a picture of the picture. Like, I want it to be on my phone so I can post it on Instagram. This is so cute. Look at my outfit. Fashion Nova. Look at my hair, fresh braids. Smile, so pretty. Okay, real cute. So now I got me a picture so I can show my kids, you know. Mama went on a cruise, okay, to the Bahamas, okay. I already have my clothes picked out for tomorrow. Make sure y'all watch my clothing haul. So I'm wearing my what is this? What is this called? A sweatshirt. I'm wearing this oversized sweatshirt and my pretty little thing leggings tomorrow with my Vans. Boom, real chill. nothing major. Yeah, and then like I don't know what to do with this stuff because I don't have like a carry-on bag, but I need to take a shower, make sure I brush my teeth and stuff. So what am I gonna do? Don't know. Yeah, I hope that y'all still enjoy these vlogs. And now tomorrow, back to reality, back to my regular old life. This was real fun. I enjoyed myself, even though I'm real irritated right now. I enjoyed myself. I got to wear cute clothes. Why he throw our paper? He came here and threw our papers out. I just noticed that. I wanted to look over and see if there was anything else going on. And now I can't. It's hot. I need to take this off. But yeah, yeah, I enjoyed myself. This was my first cruise, and I think that, you know, I had a really good time. I got to wear stuff like, cause at home, like I don't go anywhere. All I do is go to work and I come home and do nothing. So I got to, you know, dress up, wear dresses, rompers and stuff, and got my hair done. Whew. Yeah, I just feel like it went by so fast. Like, tomorrow is our last day here. Well, today is our last day. Tomorrow we leaving in the morning time. That is so crazy. Like, time moves so fast. But yeah, so I'll probably, you know, show y'all a little bit tomorrow. This is not gonna be anything like extravagant because all I'm doing is waking up, put my clothes on, and getting up out of here. So I'll show y'all that little process or whatever. And then, yeah, so I'm not going to end the vlog now. But I'm about to go use the bathroom real quick and then get my stuff together. So, yeah, I'll talk to y'all later. Alright, y'all, so I got my stuff all packed up. The luggage just have to be out in the hallway by 11 o'clock. It's like 10:36 right now, so mine is out in the hallway. So I have my clothes I'm gonna wear tomorrow already out, and I have this stuff like that I use to wash my face, brush my teeth, and take a shower with. I put that in like my pink purse. My pink purse is the biggest purse that I have, so I put all that stuff in there and to make sure I got my wallet out just in case I need anything. And I got this trash bag from like the hotel, so I'm gonna just put like whatever else, like my dirty clothes, just put in that bag, and then that's it. So yeah, now I'm just waiting for my brother to get out of the bathroom so I can go ahead and take my shower and just lay down. I'm not really tired. I'm just like, I don't know, like I got a headache. I don't know why, but it's like every night my head starts hurting ever since I've been on this boat. I don't know if it's because we're just moving, like it's just rocking back and forth, but something's making me have a headache, so that's why I'm laying down right now. But yeah, that's that. Like, I got everything ready, so just wake up early tomorrow and get on the road so I can head back home. finally on the bus, about to go to the car. So y'all, I'm back home now. What time is it? It's like 6 o'clock now. I got back at 5:50 something. So I got back like a couple minutes ago. Yeah. I already started unpacking my stuff. I just got a little bit more stuff to put up. When I came in, my room was clean, so I was very happy. Very happy about that. So yeah, I got a little bit more stuff to unpack. I mean, not to unpack, but to put up, and then I'll be done with that. I have 7 or 8 videos to edit. I'm about to go ahead and relax a little bit and start editing some videos. So this is the end of my trip. I hope that you guys enjoyed all of these videos. I can't wait to go on another trip. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Shop with me for glosses, lip scrubs, and lashes. And yeah, I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.